Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Mita Ramatika. I am 19 years old and I am study at Binasarana Informatika University, majoring in Management, Faculty of Economic and Business. So, in this video, I will give my opinion about smoking on campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus area is not a good thing. Why? Because smoking on campus area can damage the air in the surrounding environment, and this can so dangerous if the cigarette smoke is inhaled by others people. People who don't smoke, they inhale the cigarette smoke, they can be called passive smokers. Yes, passive smokers. Because cigarettes contains like nicotine and tobacco plants. If inhaled by humans, it will cause damage to your lungs. After a cigarette is burned, it will produce a substance called tar. And if inhaled by humans, which is so dangerous for our health. So my advice for active smokers, let's start to smoking on smoking areas and start to reduce smoking, start a healthy life, love your lungs because a healthy life is more expensive than you buy 100 on 1000 packs of cigarettes. And that's all my opinion about smoking on campus area. Thank you. Okay guys, let's we start the material. The material today is about adverb of frequently. Adverb of frequently is divided into two types. The number one is indefinite frequently and number two is definite frequently. What is indefinite frequently? Frequently is an adverb that tells us how often something happens. Usually, adverb of frequently contains words like always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never, and others. Adverb of frequently usually relate to daily activities. For the example, I usually go to sleep at night, or I usually hearing music before sleep, or I usually breakfast before go to school. And for the example again is I always study before exams or before sleep, like that, and others activity. In the unit adverbs, there is a percentage adverb of frequently and the example. The number one, 100%, we can describe as always. For the example, I always study before exams. 90% we can describe as usually. For the example, I usually take a nap after lunch. 80% we can describe as generally. For the example, I generally use my phone for work. 70% we can describe as often. For the example, I often watching TV at night. 50% we can describe as sometimes. For the example, I sometimes feel a bit lonely. 30% we can describe as occasionally. For the example, I occasionally go to bed late. 10% we can describe as seldom. For the example, I seldom read the newspaper. 5% we can describe as rarely. For the example, I rarely go to the beach. And the last is 0%. We can describe as never. This is mean you never doing something or action. For the example, I never drinks alcohol. Like that. For the next example, Number 1. I always drink milk before sleep. Number 2. I usually help my mother. Number 3. He never wake up late. Number 4. Sometimes I'm playing games. Okay, next. Definite frequently. What is definite frequently? Definite adverb of frequently tell exactly the frequently of something. Some example include like yearly, every hour, weekly, every day, and others. There is a complete definite adverb. There is a hourly, nightly, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Okay, the example. I go to dentist every month. My daddy goes to London every year. I eat fruits every day. Okay, this is the adverb of frequently. Number 1 is hourly. This means once every hour. For the example, buses to London run hourly. Number 2, daily. This means every day. For the example, is the museum open daily? Number 3, weekly. This mean once a week or every week. For the example, are you paid weekly? And number 4 is monthly. This means once a month. For the example, employees are paid monthly. And the last is yearly. This mean once a year or every year. For the example, you can pay the mortgage yearly. Okay, there is a formula of an adverb of frequently. Number 1 is subject plus frequently adverb plus main verb. Example, Anya always passes her exams. Number 2, subject plus be plus frequently adverb. Example, she's always happy. Number 3, auxiliary verb plus subject plus frequently adverb. For the example, do you often cook? Okay, next, how often? I want to know the frequently. For example, how often do you eat vegetables? In this question, you can answer with the formula. Number 1, number plus time plus a plus time period. And formula number 2 is every plus number plus time period. For the example, I eat vegetables once a day, or I eat vegetables every 2 days. Okay, next, there is a dialogue part 1. There is Vio and Al. Vio, hi Al, what are you doing? Al, hi Vio, I am watching Netflix. Vio, oh, looks exciting. How often do you watching Netflix? Al, in twice a day. I like to watching Netflix. How about you? Vio, I'm rarely watching Netflix, but I usually watching TV. Al, me too. I usually watching TV. What channels do you like? Vio, I like Mentari channel because there is so many cartoon. Do you? Al, sometimes I watching Mentari channel too. Okay, dialogue part 2. There is Lisa and John. Lisa, John, when will your father come home? John, my father will come home every quarterly because he is a sailor. How about your brother, Lisa? Lisa, my brother is pilot. He rarely at home. He will come home every monthly. John, need a very long time to waiting my father come home. And the conclusion, the function adverb of frequently is a sentence to explain how often we do something or action. Thank you.